So I did start an illustration yesterday. I did the sketch for it, so I'll just show you. So basically I got inspired by the movie Barbie that's coming out next month. So I found myself a reference picture, which was this one here. Hello. Oh my god, didn't want to move, did it? So yeah, this is the picture that I went by. And I'm quite excited to finish it. So yeah, I want to like keep it simple though if I can. Hello Cookie, what are you doing? Yeah, I want to try and keep it simple if I can. Make this bit a bit more just simple, you know, I don't know. But yeah, I'm really excited for this movie to come out. It looks really good, and I think they've picked the perfect actress to play Barbie. I think she looks so good as Barbie, so So I just played around with the sketch a little bit. Not sure if this one looks better or not. I did like tweak everything around, so I don't know if you can tell the difference, but yeah, so I think I'm just gonna go with that, and I'm gonna start doing the line art now. And this little one is all squished up next to me in between the pillow and my leg. He's so cute. Today is Wednesday and I'm just on a dog walk. We're going up to the lookout, so yeah, I thought it's a nice day. Actually it's got cloudy now, but it was really sunny earlier. So I'm back from the dog walk now, and I thought I'd just give you a quick glance of my new art room. So I moved that desk away from there. It was in the middle before. I've also got Cookie's bed in here in case he wants to sleep in here. This is my new shelf set up. If you do want to see a full tour of my room and me tidying and cleaning it all, then I'll leave a link for the video. And I've just put my moonlight on pink at the moment. So I'm just about to take off some footage from this camera on my laptop, and then I'm going to get on with my drawing. So before I start my drawing, I thought I'd give you a few tips using Procreate on the iPad. This reference box is a really cool thing to have. So basically, to bring this up, you just come up to this little wrench tool, which is actions, and then you go to canvas, and then it's just here reference. So you can toggle that on or off. Here you can actually upload an image, like a reference photo from your photos, and then canvas just shows you what you're working on. And it's really cool because you can use that in the corner to see the full picture, but you can use two fingers to like zoom real close into your actual drawing, but this doesn't change. So it's a really cool thing to use on Procreate. Another thing that I like to do when I'm doing like a sketch is I always like to flip the canvas horizontal. So to come up to actions again, go to canvas, just under the reference box actually, it's flip horizontal. And then now you can kind of, like, any errors or mistakes might pop out to you a little bit more because your eye is so used to looking at an image a certain way. So when you flip it, it kind of just shows you areas that may not look right. And other people might see that when they look at it, but because your eye is so used to looking at it one way, you don't kind of see that. If that makes sense. So also another cool thing that you might not have known is that if you go to the wrench tool and then go to add. You can insert a photo, like a reference photo, but it will come up on your like canvas. So if you're like sharing a time lapse, for example, but you don't want the reference to show up, you can actually go to insert photo and then just swipe to the left, and you can click on insert a private photo. So I'll just choose this one again. So now it's come up on my canvas, but here it says private. So if you were sharing a time lapse or anything afterwards, this picture wouldn't even show up. So it keeps the whole drawing pretty clean if you're like sharing it and you don't want like reference images popping up in between to like ruin the kind of process, I guess.